maybe you could give three quick tips to somebody listening, a guy listening who's trying to get out. Like, what's kind of your one, two, three steps to start that process of breaking off it?
Yeah. Get radically honest with yourself first. You know, speak truthfully about what the issue is. I'll hear a lot of guys that reach out to me that say, I watch porn every single day. I can't get rid of it, but I don't think I'm addicted. It's like if you don't actually accept the severity of the problem, like you're never going to be able to find the solution for it. So I think radical honesty with self first is the first step. Step two is radical honesty with somebody else, just like you and I just shared, right? The minute that we talked about it with somebody else, like there was a layer of freedom that we were able to kind of step into. And if you can't do that, even if you're finding success, you're still holding on to it yourself. Like that's because you're living in a state of shame. So you'll never walk in freedom if you're holding on to these things. If there's something in your life that you're doing and not sharing, that thing is holding power over you and you're still a slave to it. So radical honesty with self first, radical honesty with another second. And then I would say fast, like go on a long extended, 2 to 3 day fast from food. Begin to deny yourself. It's going to build self-control. You're going to have to fight the urge and temptation to want to eat, which a lot of times will feel a whole lot like the urge to want to watch pornography. But the minute you make through that, you make it through that, those feelings begin to kind of, go away pretty quickly. They may come back a couple hours later, but it's like, oh, okay, I actually do have the will within me. I do have the power to not give in. And I can say no. And then, obviously the spiritual growth, I'm a man of faith here. And I think that there's a lot that we get spiritually when we do fast, but those would be the first three things, man, is
Mm.
honesty with self, honesty with another, and then begin to practice some fasting.
That's great. Yeah, I love the fasting piece, and how similar those feelings are. That urge, it's like just an urge. That
Yeah.
you can get familiarized with.